I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing in the terms of entrepreneurship, basically in the term of small business evaluation. Basically, evaluation is basically a controlling measures, we can say, controlling. In the controlling measures, whatever the process is to be there, like control or whatever, we have to like evaluate, control, measures. These are the various synonyms like system in the terms of entrepreneurship development. So whenever we are discussing about evaluation, we just check down as an entrepreneur whether our product is stabilized or we are getting success from zero to somewhere place to be there, maybe. So in the evaluation process, why we are going for this system? Because evaluation helps us to identify problems and their causes as the system goes on. And this is to be measured at every step of the life is to be. If we have a system, product life cycle, in your entrepreneurship life cycles, whatever. From product identification, then feasibility state, then the controlling measures, where a lot of approaches to be carried out in the development of entrepreneurship development. So this is the help. Now, with this evaluation part, first we have to identify problems and their causes. Second, whatever. Suggest possible solutions. Possible solution, whatever. Because we are small entrepreneurs and we have a very less resources to be there to solve our problem. So if we are considering ourselves, our unit, our business, our small business in the terms of evaluation, we have to look after how this problem can be solved. Then raise questions about assumption and strategy. Raise questions because presently in the small entrepreneur, then our support starts. Then our surroundings like public or whatever. 3 person will be 3 units to be involved. So we should get down the answer from where? This place or that place. Because अपना क्वेश्चन तो हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं और अपना ही जवाब दे रहे हैं तो शायद हम उसका आंसर नहीं निकाल पाएंगे. If we prepare a tea and we just sip it and see it's a nice or not, we cannot get down the answer is to be there. Now we have to serve our prepared tea to our supporters, our society. Then we ask whether is you comfortable, whether any lacunas to be there, if you need anything is to be there, just to suggest on. Because गलती निकालना आसान होता है, उसका solution देना बहुत difficult होता है. तो हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए solutions. So for getting the solutions, we raise questions about assumptions and the strategies to be there. Then push you to reflect on where you are going and how we are going. Simple. Where we are going and how we are going. How we are going, like that. कैसे और कहाँ. And if we are going somewhere is to be there, so when we will getting there. That means if our mission is product life cycle, if type of things to be there, so if we are startup business here, we are here only, maybe exemption. If we are here, so definitely we have to just check down on this point when we will reach. Whether we will reach or not, this is the question. That is a different part of game. A lot of studies are already carried out, but here we have to check down. But it's to be necessary कि how we will reach. आपको याद होगा जब कारगिल की लड़ाई हुई थी तो जो दुश्मन थे शायद ऊपर थे, जैसा मैंने टीवीज पे देखा, no idea because I'm not a army background student. So हम लोग शायद नीचे थे, धीमे धीमे सब अब कैसे जाना है, कब जाना है, now they have to decide the strategical part is to be, and then after they hit the steps to be. So the same thing is to be, whenever we are anything regarding the discussion about the strategy, so we should come down like an army front when this condition will be achieved, when we will reach down the things. And Then we have to provide information and insight. Provide information and insight. Both things are different ways. हम क्या हैं और हमारे पास क्या है. एक होता है लोगों को दिखाना, एक होता है क्या अपने लिए. अवध के लिए बहुत फेमस चीजें हैं, जैसे मेरे कि यहां पर लोग जब बाहर निकलते थे तो एक में बादाम रखते थे और एक में मूंगफली रखते थे, पीनट्स. और जब सामने वाला कोई आता था उसके सामने एक पॉकेट से निकाल के बादाम कहते थे, सर जस्ट टेक ऑफ, जस्ट शो डाउन कि आई एम ईटिंग बादाम. और आप वेदर आई एम ईटिंग पीनट्स, इट्स नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम टू देयर, बट I will show down. Same thing here. Whether my company is to be like that, whatever the position is to be there, what other express, what other things, these are different terms. But we have to show down that we have a large vision, we have a standing vision objective was there. So we have to provide the information with the insight what we are currently on what we are showing and how we achieve the successes to be there. Because then only the clear evaluation part can be carried out. Then encourage you to act on the informations we already discussed progress review. Then increase the likelihood that you will take a positive development differences. Positive development differences. If we are preparing tea packets and consumer initially they accepted, later on they are not accepted, it's a positive or negative sign. For the entrepreneur it may be negative, it may be positive is to be there. In the negative aspect, your product is not accepted by the consumers, but the positive point may be that there is some other competitor also in the market. You have to change your strategy because you are the entrepreneur and you have invested the amount in a very early stage was there and you have to spend. So market need, there is some product diversification is to be there. Maybe downline or maybe sideline is there. These are various marketing strategies to be there. We will discuss in the part of the marketing management. But here this give a new information. Now you are in the position. Now you have to just change your track is to be. So in evaluation part, there is a two words we are using in the evaluation, like monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring, we are just, so we can just say down to evaluation maybe in monitoring term and the evaluation part. If we have to look after the part of the monitoring is I am a monitor, I am an entrepreneur, I have to look after the things, I am the ultimate boss of that complete vision. So we have to check down our indicators, efficiency, effectiveness and impact, both, all the three words which we are using, efficiency, effectiveness and impact, that we have to look after on the basis of monitoring. What we are, that we know, but what other expect, they know. So you have to get down the clear picture of your image about a consumer, in front of the consumer, you just be clarifying things. Then setting of system to collect information relating to indicators. That means we have to just on the market survey we can say, or general survey or journal feedback is to be there. Feedback. So if you have to go in the market, if you other nowadays also a lot of time you have seen the newspapers, or you have to go when you have to visit any places to be there. There are certain sample provided like namkeens, teas, shampoos. Why? They just want what you feel about this product. You just give down answer. If I am not interested in that product, what I do? I will take up the meat packet, open, just eat it. Okay, sir, very good, very good. But kahin na kahin मेरे मन में यह आएगा, if I use that or really that thing is to be nice, so I will just check out the packet is to be there, which company is to be there, which brand is to be there. Or later on, if I like that taste, I will just go to the market and just So give me that packet to be there. Maybe possible this thing happened only 20%, but marketing is carried out around 11.5%. Whatever the studies generally is accepted. Because whatever we are using, whatever the things that we have already given on my one lecture is to be there. He whole capital management, whole fund management, whole financial management, around 40 to 50% part is to be taken up. More than 40-50% part is to be taken in the front of the marketing expertise to be there. Then only you will get on the revenues. So whatever the information we are getting, because for the evaluation purpose, we have their efficiency, impact and efficiency. Then we have to get the informations. Then from that information, we are using that information, our day-to-day management practices to be there. Or whatever in day-to-day management practices, in day-to-day small business, because business is to be started from the product ideation, then feasibility analysis, then success or achievement is to be there, then stabilization is to be there. That type of stage can be carried out. In general, we are not telling anything about the specific things, this is a general ways to be. So we are using this information in the day-to-day management. If anything, last problem can be come down in the last day, it will be should not be exist in today's scenario. Then this is basically whatever the monitoring, whatever the evaluation part, basically this is the internal analysis. You have to check down by your institute there, by your project, by your manager, by your subordinates. And after getting this evaluation, smart part, that is the monitoring part, then you have to just check down how the evaluation is to be carried out. Because evaluation include looking at what the project or organization intended to achieve. What difference did it want to make it? And what impact did it want to make? This is the evaluation. If we want, like tea, we want to establish our brand as a natural enhancer, natural stamina booster, natural something. Whether we achieve the success or not, this is the feeling. So in this, whatever the strategy we have to follow, so in this particular part of evaluation, we have to take up certain things. Because pre-study has been already carried out by the means of the monitoring, then we have to take care according to this. First, self-evaluation. Self-evaluation. This involves an organization on project holding a mirror to itself and assessing how it is doing. What I am doing, just like the mirror image is to be come down, and really, because this is a self-assessment, you just check down what is to be, what you want to achieve, what you are achieving, or what you will be achieved. Then participatory evaluation. Evaluation. I already told you there are three types. Structure is to be there, establishment of the entrepreneurship development. So in the participatory, this is from the internal evaluation part. This intention is to involve many people with a direct stake as per your work, and this may project staffs, this your subordinates, this may your surroundings, whatever the person should be, by which you can get down whatever self-evaluation and participative evaluation should be correlated. If there should be a gap, or we can say a deep gap, a big gap, then the point should be evaluated, re-evaluated, re-evaluated. Then, in the participative evaluation, there is two things. First is general, the second is rapid. On the spot, we just go in our subordinate, our workers, our team members, we just sit down, or okay, and question answer round is to be come down. Now this thing is to be there, what we feel, what we feel, what we feel. Now the immediate answer will be carried out, we will be recorded the things. A general, we will develop a questionnaire, either we will just planned way, we will do this type of thing, then we will go to the team, and then we have to ask the thing, then we have to formulate the thing. So there should be some clear cut idea, may be possible, not come down. चाय हमने अभी पी, तुरंत कोई हमसे पूछे कैसी है चाय, तो शायद हमारा जवाब अलग होगा, और 2 दिन के बाद हमसे पूछेंगे तो शायद उसका जवाब हमारा अलग होगा. सेम थिंग. So whatever the evaluation part for the small scale business management, because this is a small unit was there. For the entrepreneur, this is the prime consideration is to be there. In entrepreneur has not very much amount is to be there. So each and every step, whatever he has considered, should be well marked is to be there. Then, so rapid we have to learn. Then we have to take the external evaluation. External evaluation. External evaluation in the means of CA, ICWA, or some financial advisor is to be there. Some marketing consultant can be come down from, by which we can get down our real position is to be there. What is the problem is to be there. Then, for interactive evaluation. This involve is a very active interaction between an outside evaluator or evaluation team and the organization or project handling evaluated. Same thing. कुछ समय पहले I just forget the name is to be the movies too. I think one movie can come down. और उसमें जो एंटरप्रेन्योर था उसने एक कार बनाई थी. कार को उसने खुद बनाया था और खुद टेस्ट किया था और पूरा लेआउट वगैरह ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज टू बी स्टेबलाइज. देन ही वांट टू सेल दैट टेक्नोलॉजी टू सम अदर कंपनी. व्हेन ही गिवन द प्रपोजल टू दैट कंपनी, the company is constituted because there is a quality control team was there. They just evaluate the project and they told this is not viable, this car will not run as per the standard of our company. Now that boy who is a new entrepreneur, he wants to sell out this technologies to be there. He wants the drawbacks in that. He go to the company, ask the team, but team is not giving any type of problem. So he has taken the time of the CMD, meet the CMD. CMD very generous person is to be there. He is the old age. He called their team members and asked, he tell me what is the difficulty point is to be there, because this is a young chap and for his career development this is the necessary thing is to be there. We should guide him by which within 1 year or 2 years of time he can come down with some new updated version of this product. Now whatever the product management team was there, they have been criticizing each and every point is to be there. Then he told, that entrepreneur told, sir, have you physically checked my project? He used physically check. They told, no, we are using on the CAD or whatever the computerization system is doing, whatever the draft you have to send it, whatever the blueprint you have to send it, we will discuss accordingly. Sir, may be possible whatever your knowledge is to be there, I am not criticizing the things, but now the technology is changed, may be possible certain thing is not as per the practical basis can be now show down here. Come down and check down. Whatever I am claiming, if you will not accept that the things, it's fine. CMD liked this approach to be. He told the boy that come down with your car with that particular model, our executive team will be come down and they will check down. After when they have to check down, they have to just check each and everything, whatever that voice is to be, it's 100% true. He is claiming 100% right and more than that is to be there. The speed, the gear, the system, the Excel, each and everything. So in this interactive action, whatever the thing is to be, we have to monitor our capabilities also, our team capability, sir, not our, sir. So our team capability and external evaluator. Say those sit down, or then they will discuss कि now this is the evaluation process and your company is showing the right advantages to be there. Now for the business institution is to be there, what is the advantage of this small business evaluation is to be there? Because if you have to evaluate, what advantage we should get down? Because if you have to come down, certain with this evaluation part an entrepreneur can get down what he is and how he has to proceed. Number one. Second, he is developing that type of product or services which outsider or external bodies demand, or they have to provide, the need is to be there. Second, then the management tools development has got down a clear-cut idea and establishment is to be there. Otherwise, they cannot survive in this particular system is to be there. Then they have to, any criticism, any findings toward the positivity is to be there. He has to get down the enthusiasm by which field is to be there. So, as a management background person of yours, use whatever the business and entrepreneur started, clear-cut idea of evaluation process should be carried out. Maybe possible there are a lot of statistical tool can be applied, but whenever we are discussing any statistical models and statistical values is to be there, the participative approach is to be there, the natural things is to be there, then we can say down, we can be carried out, really a transformation part is to be there. Now I am just concluding the process is to be there, because in which we have to look after whatever the small business is the simply livelihood of an entrepreneur. So for the entrepreneur point of view, this is the essential part to stabilizing any type of businesses to be there. So in this we have to look after each and every system in a very well form.